How to transfer video Android to your iPhone by using USB or pendrive. Simply, you can see this is my video. To transfer your video, you have to open your file first. Once you open file, then you can see internal store, and under DCIM you can see all of your video or photos file. For example, this video, this is 66.69 MB, or you can transfer a big file as well. This is 564 MB. Press and hold, then press on copy. Now top corner you can see this is my USB, and you can create a folder here, test video, create and copy here. It's quick process, and now remove your pen drive, and you have to insert it to your iPhone. So once you insert, now go to your file, then it's not connected yet. Let's erase and try to connect again. Now you can see transcend. Open your folder and test video. This is the video. Now press on hold. Now you can see the share option. Now press on save video. Then it will be saved within short time. And to see your file, open your photos option and recent days, or you can see the recent save. Here you can find your file. Another way, if you want to save this file to your file gallery, then press on share. Then you can see the save to file. Now you can save it to your iCloud device or on your iPhone. So once done, press on save, then it will be transferred. So that's it. This is how you can easily transfer video file to your Android to iPhone. Thank you. Have a good day.